As a former apprentice myself with Grŵp Minnau, I've worked in the industry for the last 16 years. So the natural career progression for me was to sidestep on to become an assessor. I'm passionate about the health and social care sector because, you know, I just love seeing the positive outcomes that individuals are having, you know, and the positive impact that the staff will have on individuals that are being supported in the learning disability or in care homes. So, you know, it's good to see the positive effects that you can have on individuals. In my experience, a learner that would make a good apprentice would be somebody that is fit for the sector that they're working in, obviously, health and social care, that they're compassionate, that they're empathetic, and they're quite a bubbly person because we are working with complex people and, you know, you need to be a certain type of person, I think, to work in the sector. The role of the employer is to support the apprentice on their journey, on their learning journey, because they should be there with them, alongside them, working with them and, you know, motivating them to do the qualification. They should be an important key factor really in them succeeding as a staff member. And it's a win-win, isn't it, you know, for the company that they work for or the councils that they work for, is for them to have a skilled workforce moving forward and providing that best care. The role of the health and social care assessor is to make professional judgments and ensuring that the learners and the apprentices are meeting certain criteria that the awarding body is setting. So we are doing the theory side of health and social care, and then we move on to the practice side where we observe, making sure that their knowledge and skills are all coming together when they are at the end of the qualification as well. And we also provide live assessments as well. So we are getting formative assessments whilst they're on board with us as an apprentice. And then hopefully that will put them in good stead for the future, for promotional opportunities and to open doors in the sector. I've just been made the bilingual champion as well for the team. I'm basically supporting the staff to support the learners to promote the Welsh language. That's then being passed on to learners, which they're, you know, the English-speaking learners that are working in Welsh care homes or working for Welsh councils. They are then using their Welsh skills to meet mwy na geiriau standards as well to make sure that they're speaking Welsh to the individuals. So overall, it's a win-win for everybody, where the individuals that are receiving the care, they feel more valued because they're speaking their own language.